Have you ever made a project where you thought you had everything worked out? Today we're gonna look at a project where things don't go quite the way they seem. So I know in all of you, you've all probably wondered, Bill, what have you been doing with your time? Well, to be honest, I'm not really sure. I know that I started off this project and it's been, well, let's just say it, way too long in between drinks. And I think it's time to finish it. So in typical me fashion, I took a look at it. I decided that I wanted to change it. So I took the bits off it that I wanted to put onto something else. And we've moved right along. Introducing my new cooler. Yes, I know, I didn't finish the other one. But don't you worry, because I've got some other ideas for that. I'm just a bit like a butterfly. I just don't have that much attention span. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll a little montage of me building shit and stuff. And then we're going to put this together. I was going to do this as one episode, but now it's probably going to be 2 episodes, just so that I can try and fit it all in, but not bore the shit out of you. So sit back and relax and just enjoy this little montage. Okay, so we've finished the general fabrication. What we have here is the bottom tray of the unit. This is what will actually bolt into the computer. Next to this, we actually have the radiator mount. This holds the two 480mm radiators. In between these two will be these fractal 180mm fans. So they'll sit in between there. There's nothing actually screwing these down. What I'm going to use is these bolts that go through two tabs on the unit to actually sandwich it all together and hold it in. So to finish off this episode, let's mock it all up, put it together, and we'll see what it looks like. And then we'll start thinking about where to put some of the piping. Okay, so we've got our core structure put together. So we've got our two 480s, three 180s, and then what we're going to do is we'll now screw in the two top covers, and then we'll put the stainless steel piping on top to finish it off. So we're going to run all the cabling and stuff up the middle, just to try and keep it neat. Obviously these will get all nicely zip tied and neatened up. So let's get these on and then we'll get to the next step. I haven't worked out whether or not when I finally finish it off after testing if I'll put a rubber gasket in here just to take up the little bit of room that I've got there. But for the minute, let's just keep ripping through it. Okay, so turns out I actually had these on the wrong side, as you do. So this is the unit all mocked up thus far. So what we've now got to do is we've got to finish off all this wiring. I've got some more gauges and things. This is a flow and temperature gauge. And so that will be in the back here somewhere, I'm not really sure where. And then we've got, so what we actually have here is a Corsair RGB fan hub that we're going to mount on the back. And then all this cabling will be routed into here. And then these two will head off towards the computer. And that's what will control it all. So I think we'll call it done for there for the minute. In the next episode, we'll get on to plumbing in some of these lines, wiring it up, filling it up, doing some flow tests and things on it just to make sure that it's going to work. And then we'll whack this on top of my computer and see what difference this makes as opposed to, say, the fractal all-in-one AIO that we've got on there at the moment. So, yeah, looks pretty crazy though, doesn't it?